Hello and welcome to Digital Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to disable your Instagram DMs. So let's begin. Just open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, go to settings, click on notifications. Here you can find the option of messages, just click on this option. Now you could see the option message request. Just choose the option off from here. Also tap off under the messages option. Now you won't be able to receive any message request or direct message on Instagram, and hence your message requests are now disabled. I hope you find it quite useful. Thanks for watching this video.